How's it going? This is Ben here from Connected Car Solutions. We're sitting in a 2019 Sahara. So this has the big Toyota 9-inch, and we're wanting to go ahead and install one of our Galios integration kits for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. So what you'll need is a 10mm. You can use a powered, you can use a hand socket, and you'll need a panel tool. So we sell a kit, not this type, but a plastic kit, and that will get you in and around and taking this all out very easily. But that's all you need, just in terms of tools, that's all you need. So yeah, we'll go ahead and we'll start taking this apart. So grab your panel tool. You need to take these side panels off first. Okay, they're just all clipped in. Same on the side. And they just clip out like that. Now behind here, there's two 10mm screws. So get in there with your 10mm, just take those out, something like that. Same on the side. And then these side pieces, kind of, it goes diagonally, and there's also a little clip at the back. So you push that little tab in, push that in, and then you'll be able to take these panels off as well. We'll take these out, put these to the side. Might as well table a bit. Alright, so same with this one. This will come down, clip at the back, push it in, there, and then this just clips out, like that. This one you can just hang down like that. We'll need this engine start stop button. We'll turn that off for now. Alright, up the top here, just be careful with these panels. You don't want to scratch them. So one at the side, one at the top, one at the side. I find that works best. Top here, very carefully, look forward a little bit. And then look forward a little bit, and then it'll just slide out like that. This top panel will come out, just like that. Little clip under here for your light sensor. That'll come out. And you'll see two screws, 2 bolts. Just take all those out. Like that. The screws are inside. These two as well. And then this one can come out. So this just pulls forward down the back. Your 2019. Have 4 connectors, and they just unplug from the back like that. And now you have access to all the 4, 2 screws and 2 bolts that are holding the head unit in. Before that, actually, this one comes out. So this has the ability to hold on pretty strong. So there is a way to do it. It's a lot of strength, but make sure that it doesn't kick forward and kind of damage this area here. Under here, take it off if you think you need to, but a lot of strength pulling forward, but making sure it doesn't, go everywhere. And now this one can go. Just like that. here, this grey clip, just use your panel tool to kind of just push in this one here, and it levers out, and as it levers out, it'll push itself out. The rest of them are just clips that you just push down from the top. Use a tool if you need it, but most of this can kind of get in there and clip it down. So that's everything out of the way. So now we're going to head and install our cables. So this is the main cable, main power harness for the module to interact between the car and the device itself. So we've got a factory microphone cable here. We'll go ahead and we'll undo that, because they'll go up to the top with the module. The module's going to be sitting here, and these cables here, they plug in down here. So you've got these two. This one's for your main power harness. This one is for your auxiliary. Just a T-harness for your auxiliary. So let's go ahead and plug these in. They only go in one way, so don't worry too much. You might get it wrong. Just plugs in like that, and just like you unplugged from the head unit, opposite way. So it'll slide in first, and then you lever down. It'll just pull itself in with these locking tabs. Pretty easy. This one here. So they'll plug in like that. Now we can run these ones here. They will run up to the top with your microphone cable. All of these. Now if you have the resistive screen, if you've got the earlier VX and Sahara, don't worry that you can't see this one here. This isn't for your car, and your kit won't include this harness. It'll just include this one and the microphone for bringing it up. So this one here is only for your later 18 plus capacitive screens. Resistive radios won't have this one, so don't worry too much about it. For your capacitive screen owners, that will plug into this fella here. And then this one will plug into your module, which will sit like that. That's all this one done for now. Let's go ahead and we'll grab the cables for our video. So this one will be plugged into the screen itself. It's the male blue connector. This female one will plug into the original factory connector like that. Both of these ends will plug into the module. So they're color coded. It will be very difficult. Very interesting to see if anyone gets that wrong. But yeah, so this one obviously goes into the color coordinated connector, alliteration, and then this one obviously goes to the red one. And yeah, this one goes into the screen. So we're about ready to get this module in. Oh, one more cable, your USB. Now it's up to you if you want to run this. If you're running iPhone, more than likely you can get it done wirelessly. You want it wireless. For Android users, we still do recommend a wired connection. So in any case, this can be just installed down here, out of the way, just on this side where the carpet here meets the center console. So we'll go ahead and we'll run that. You can just bring it up this way, just kind of spy in the corner there. Bring it up. And then into the cavity where your module sits. Tuck that. Out of the way, quite convenient if you need it. This is our module. You can see what I was talking about with the two colours there. So they're a type of connector. So this one here it'll fit, but it's not made for that one here. This one up top, we've got a bunch going on at the moment, but this one up top, that's for your USB, and it says CP USB for CarPlay USB. That's for that one there. And then you can see that connector there, colour to colour, and microphone. Last thing that will be included is a Wi-Fi antenna, and we've got company. Doesn't look like it come this way. Okay, and that just kind of sits back there. If you've got any aftermarket cameras, caravan cameras, front cameras, you'll plug those into there. For this one, we're only doing CarPlay. Let's get some tape. Alright, so let's go ahead and we'll clean up some of this. You can just kind of stuff it all back in there if you'd like, but we'll make this look pretty real quick. There we go. Doesn't take much. Makes it a bit easier when we're wanting to actually plug in our screen though. So let's go ahead and firstly we'll do this one here. We'll bring the microphone cable up a little bit more. Some cable management. Good. Alright, let's go ahead and we'll plug this one in first. Okay, so all the plugs that you unplugged need to be plugged back in. Best to do the lower row first while you can still see it. Make sure you don't miss anything. 2, 3, 4, 5 down the bottom. These two. And then you knew from your integration kit. Okay. A little bit of persuasion. Slides right in. So what we'll do now is we'll go ahead and we'll start bolting it in. We'll put this lower panel in as well. Screws go down here. This flips down, so if you're trying to figure out which way it goes, that will flip down. That. That. Set some bolts and screws. here, all your panels just go in. So at this point you'll probably want to go ahead and start her up. Brilliant. Toyota. And then if we go ahead a bit longer, we'll be able to hold this button down, and there's our factory system. Press that again, it'll get back to the screen. If we have ignition on, go ahead and we hold this down, pressing camera. We'll bring up all of our cameras, and it'll just cycle through. Again, if you go into reverse and you're in CarPlay, that'll switch through as well. We can't start the car because I'm on this side of the car, but all that sort of stuff. But we'll go through the showcase on how that all works once it's, we'll just do a showcase for it once it's all back together. But all the panels go back together as you took them out, just in reverse, and then your new CarPlay will show you how to pair it up and all that good stuff as well. Actually, while we're here, why not? Why not just do it? Clips go in the back. Like that. Screw. Like that. This panel. Yeah, so curved part of it will go to the back at the end. Just the top parts now. And that light sensor. Upside down and the wrong way. Happy days. Okay, thanks for watching.